In this video, we are going to show you that how you can create stunning Weebly landing pages for any kind of services using AI tool called Midjourney. By using the appropriate prompts, you can ask Midjourney to create landing pages or website design for Weebly. Have a look at some of these designs that we have created using the Midjourney AI. Make sure you watch the entire video because you won't be able to generate such landing pages or website designs without the appropriate prompts. So without further ado, let's get started. So here you can see that I am already logged into Midjourney Discord server. Make sure you are logged into Midjourney Discord server and make sure you have selected one of these newbie servers right here. Once you will select one of these server, make sure you click on this message bar right here and then enter slash and write imagine prompt, and right here you will have to write your prompt. So I want to ask, imagine a beautiful landing page for, let's say we want to create a landing page for Tesla. After that I'll have to specify that it is Weebly, and then make sure you type in brand and also type in premium, and then type in UI UX and then UI over UX, and then make sure you choose the aspect ratio of 3:2. After that, make sure finally you specify the version, which will be version 4, and this is the latest version of Midjourney AI. Hit enter on your keyboard until Midjourney bot will accept your prompt. It will take some time until the Midjourney bot will bring us some results, so we'll have to wait for some time, and until then you can have a look at some of these designs that people are creating from all over the world. Look at all of these designs. People are creating graphics, the icons, logos, website designs, landing pages designs, and you can create all of these designs using some of these prompts that people are using right here. So let's have a look at the progress of the prompt that we have just entered in the Midjourney AI. So right here you can see that it has already started working on our prompt and it is almost ready. 60%, 62% of the work is almost done on it, and here we have the result. So right here you can see that we have 4 different landing pages designs, and these are insane designs for Tesla. Look at these designs. We have Tesla here, we have the logo, and then we have navigation menu, we have a logo navigation menu, and then we have some text and title here. And the same thing here, we have a call to action button, and here we have call to action button right here. You can use the same prompt to create any kind of landing pages design using the Midjourney AI. I hope you have learned something new from this video. If you have learned something new from this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon so that you will always get notified whenever we upload the new video. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.